My name is Holly and I am the artist of this painting. Today I am going to be sharing the meaning behind this painting, the depths of it, and my inspiration. I really like the way that it turned out. I love the way that I kind of added some of the lighting. So I decided that 2024 I am going to start painting one painting and complete one piece a month. And my inspiration for this month was an idea that I had in 2023, but I hadn't really put the time and effort into actually making it happen. But basically I wanted her to be in space and a rocket ship was taking off from her hand. And as I created this painting, it kind of came to life in a different way, and I added new ideas that I wasn't really expecting, which I think is the fun of it. So my original idea was to kind of make her seem really large. I think it kind of gives a lot of references to being a strong woman. So in my personal life, I go to the gym and I work out, and I have learned a new strength to myself. I wanted the piece to inspire a sense of strength and purpose. I really wanted to start this journey and this task for myself to accomplish because I really want to get better at my craft. I am currently enrolled as a graphic designer. I'm going to graphic design school, basically. But this is a different facet. I'm not going to art school. I'm not really learning about painting. So this is just my passion, I guess. This year, I'm going to get to be a better painter. So all that to say, if you want to follow along with this journey, I am going to be creating one piece a month. My name's Holly and I make mushroom art.